guys, what's up and welcome to this patron requested dance workout to NewJeans. If you want to make your very own priority requests and access a ton of exclusive dance workouts, including Out Now, Let's Pimp Fearless, check out my Patreon, linked right up here. This video is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I've been raving about for a while now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to high-end luxury perfumes, starting at just $29 per bottle. So think alternatives to Tom Ford, Chanel, YSL, Dolce & Gabbana, etc. This particular perfume I have here is Citrus Green Apple, one of my favorite scents. They all come with a little description like this. And as you can see in the box, there is the big bottle, and my favorite feature is that all of the perfumes come with a little trial size so that you can try it out for 30 days before committing to the big bottle. Dossier perfumes are all also vegan, naturally sourced, they're all cruelty-free, and made in France. So if you want to check out Dossier, they have a ton of different perfume scents. You'll be smelling fresh no matter what you're doing. Go check them out, linked in the description down below. Alright, let's get dancing!
마음이 보이지 한참을 쳐다봐 가까이 다가가 You see You see 1, 2, 3 용기가 생겼지 이미 아는 네 눈치 고개를 돌려 천천히 여기 You see 여기 보이니 Looking for attention 알겠어 확실하게 너로 만들겠어 Hey drop the question drop the question Want attention want attention You give me butterflies you know 내 맘은 온통 paradise 꿈에서 깨워주지 마 You got me looking for attention You got me looking for attention 가끔은 정말 헷갈리지만 분명히 You got me looking for attention 널 우연히 마주친 척할래 못 본 탑 지나갈래 You're so fine gotta get to know ya 나와 걸어가줘 지금 돌아서면은 잊어 to look at me back Hey 나 들켰어 널 보면 하트가 튀어나와 내 사탕을 찾는 baby 내 맘은 설레 drop the question Want attention want attention You give me butterflies you know 내 맘은 온통 paradise 꿈에서 깨워주지 마 You got me looking for attention You got me looking for attention 가끔은 정말 헷갈리지만 분명히 You got me looking for attention You got me looking for attention 1, 2, 3, 4 baby Got me looking so crazy 빠져버리는 daydream Got me feeling you 너 또 말해줄래 누가 내게 모르던 남들과는 달라 넌 Maybe you could be the one 날 믿어 번번 I'm not looking for just fun Maybe I could be the one Oh baby 예민하다 나 lady 너 없이는 매일매일이 yeah 재미없어 어쩌지 I just want you come my flow right now I just wanna get mine Cause I 생각해도 새벽 3시 알려줄 거야 they can have it no more 봐봐 여기 내 이름 써있다고 yeah. 누가 내게 뭐라던 남들과는 달라 나 Maybe you could be the one 날 믿어봐 한번 I'm not looking for this fun Maybe I could be the one Oh baby 예민하다 난 lady 너 없이는 매일매일이 yeah. 재미없어 어쩌지 I just want you come on phone right now I just wanna go mine Cause I know what you like boy You're mine You can't make go high boy 내지는 날들은 눈 뜨면 있는 곳 High boy 너무 원해 High boy 되게 전해 And we can go 나는 fire 느껴봐 Take it to the sky You know I'm happy boy 눈을 감아 나를 fire 느껴봐 Take it to the sky You know I'm happy boy
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want to make your very own suggestions and priority recommendations for workouts and access 30 plus exclusive dance videos, including Les Seraphin's Fear List, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you next time!